Everyone. So in this video, I will let you know about the remote file inclusion vulnerability. So I will let you know with the practical how we can hack a system through the remote file inclusion. So guys, I have already covered three lecture on file inclusion vulnerability, but this is the first one, that is remote file inclusion vulnerability. So in this video, how we can hack a target. For example, you have a website, right? And you can execute your file from the remote server into your target machine, right? How you can, I will let you know, right? So basically, now we will create a malware, or we will create a file. How we will create? So let me showcase you. Okay. Okay, so I have created this file reverse.php. So you can see here, this is I have created. So in here, pass through is a PHP function. We are using netcat here, and this is the IP of your Kali machine, right? Your Kali machine, which are you, whatever you using. If I show you, if config, so this is your IP, right? Your Kali machine IP, right? And let me showcase you. This is your Kali machine IP, and this is the port where you listen the malware. So here, if I clear this, okay, clear. And for the listening port, you will use this netcat command. So I will copy, so paste. Now I am listening 8081 port. That means if anyone try to connect me with the 8081 port, so I will connect that server. So now here we will use reverse shell. So you can see here I am listening 8081, and the target web, I have the website where I will attack. So this is my website dvwa. So how, guys, I have already lecture on this, how I install this Metasploit 2 machine, and this is my Metasploit IP. You can see I have run Metasploit a different machine here, this one. So this is the IP of Metasploit here, and this machine there are multiple sites. So I will work for dvwa. So I will click on dvwa, and here is the path file inclusion, right? So here we will test. Now here, for example, I have already created reverse file here, reverse.txt. Guys, you will not save this as a PHP, you will save this file as a txt. If you save this is a PHP, so on that time your Kali machine will be chance to hack. So that's why you will save this file as a txt. So I have saved this txt file, and I will showcase the location where I have saved this file. So if I clear my screen, so I am in, first I will remove. Okay, now I'm in out. So where I have stored in where, you can see, right, in where www and html, and you can save this file anywhere. I have saved here. You have to install, but at least in the html, where www html. But I have a folder evil.file, so I have stored in this folder. If I enter here and use ls, so you can see there is a file reverse.txt which I have stored, right? So that means I have this file in local, but in your case you can store this file on your server, where on your live server, whatever server you have, you can store this file on this server. But for me, I have stored this in on my local server, right? So how first I will access this file in locally. So if I use localhost, guys, so you can see my Apache to Debian default page is showing when I am typing localhost or I'm my IP. This is my local IP. If you type this, so you will able to get this page. Or in your case, if you are using locally, then you should able to also that page if you type your like Kali Linux IP. So in this IP I have stored this on, you can see in evil file. If I click here, so you can see there are two files here. So my is reverse.txt. So you can see I have this file on this server. In your case you can same, like you can use the same, or you have any live server, so you can also use that live server, right? So in our case I am in local server and my file is stored here. Guys, sometime when we type localhost, so you will found that if you type localhost you will found that there is no screen here. So that, like that type of issue will get like almost every student. So what you do, first you have to install, you have to install that you have first install the Apache 2. How you can install this server? You can install from here and ensure you have to start this server. So once you start this server, so you will get that type of screen. But when you try to access this file, maybe some of people are able to, but some of not. So with those people who are not able to get this file, so they have to give the permission. So how they give the permission? Use this command. So this is like sudo command, and from here you can give the permission. So maybe if you stored here file, so you have to just type your this path. I have stored my file in evil file, so that's why I have give this path. But in your case maybe path is different. Then try to restart this Apache server, right? So on that condition you will get this file here. That means now you are able to successfully get or access this file from your local host. So we have cleared that. Now I'm able to access this file from localhost, right? So I will, let me showcase you. I'm listening here a port. Now I will make a connection. I will copy this local host. In your case maybe local host. If you have live or like live any server, so you can use that path, right? So now our target is here. So our target is here. This is the target, or this is the website where we now attack. So here you can see page is equal to include.php, but we are not using include.php. So first we will remove and paste what we copy. So what I copy, HTTP, our server, and on this server I have this txt file. When I enter, so my txt file code will be execute on this server, right? So if I enter here, you will see, if I enter here, so here I am able to, now I have make a connection. You can see I make a connection from this machine to this machine. That means I am able to hack this machine, or I am able to control on this machine. If you type anything like ls, so you know we are getting the result. If I type id and pwd, so now I can do anything on this machine because I have fully control on server. So this is called remote file inclusion vulnerability. So that's all in this lecture, and please subscribe my channel for upcoming hacking video. Thank you.